I don't know if you know this. Thor News is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around.
This is something NASA rejected.
Houston, be advised. We've got a video message.
I'm gonna have to science the shit out of this.
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. And if you've been following my YouTube channel since its inception, when NASA has been like, we are on Mars searching for water, I've always been like, yeah, well, why don't you go to the snow caps around the poles and maybe scoop some of that white crap up, and I think you might find water. And that was always ignored. And now it's like, oh yeah, we've confirmed that those polar ice caps Thor News was talking about, like when those things melt, there's water. It's like, yeah, duh. Where you guys been? So NASA's telling us something we already knew. And they had a giant press conference to announce to people, hey, we're going to tell you something you already knew. And do they provide us with actual photographs? No, I don't think they do. These dark, narrow, 100-meter long streaks called reoccurring slope lineae flowing downhill on Mars are inferred to have been formed by contemporary flowing water. Did you know recently planetary scientists detected hydrated salt on these slopes at Hale Crater, corroborating their original hypotheses that the streaks are indeed formed by liquid water. As opposed to like powdered water or water frogurt. The blue color seen upslope of the dark streaks are thought not to be related to their formation, but instead are from the presence of the mineral pyroxene. The image is produced by draping an ortho-erectified infrared blue-green IRB false color image on digital train model of the same site produced by high-resolution imaging science experiment, University of Arizona. Vertical exaggeration is 1.5. Wait, so is this an actual photograph, man? Like, I'm not going to take another step further until I find just a photograph. Okay, let's check out the full caption. And then I'll get back to this story, but seriously, when I started reporting on the Hurricane Joaquin Phoenix on Monday, it's because I saw a bunch of factors in the weather that are crazy. And then the sun has just been freaking out. So me talking about NASA and Mars right now just seems pretty silly. You know, like, we can do that on a slow day. Right now with the sun and the weather, there are no slow days for me. And there probably won't be until Monday. So I'm just going to try and figure out, is this a photograph? Or it looks too cool to be photographed, man. Yeah. The image was produced by first creating a 3D computer model of the area based on stereo information from the two high-rise observations, and then draping a false color image over the landscape model. Okay, so yeah, NASA said they found running water. And even though they have like 8 orbiters and 5 rovers and 16 probes and 13 spider bots and 19 CubeSats, and they just put up Maven, the like super high-techy thing that got there this year. After all that, you're going to give us your grand new theory that there's running water on Mars with an artist's recreation? I would golf clap, but I gotta go. So you gotta tell people about the sun and the weather. All right, peace out. I promise I'll return to this. God bless everybody.